Hi everybody, my name's Tate and I'll be your summer reading coordinator for this year. So right now we're just going to go over what you should have in your first week's kit if you're a senior or a junior. First we'll go over the junior kits, then we'll go over the senior kits. I don't have a prize draw for you this week, but I will next week, so keep your eye out for that, and let's get into it. So for the junior bags, look like this. You might have some books that come with it as well. You should have a piece of paper with a dinosaur that looks like this, like a dinosaur bones. And then on the other side of that, you're going to have a little dinosaur bone head as well. You'll also have a piece of cardboard about this size. You'll have two more pieces of cardboard that'll be about the same size like this. You will also have a paintbrush, so something like this. They're not all the same, but then you'll have paints. So you should have green, red, pink, brown, purple, yellow. Those are my favorite colors together. Isn't that a pretty color combination? Those are complementary colors. You'll also have black, white, blue, and orange, which are also complementary colors. Doesn't that look like Tony the Tiger? That's fun. And you should also have 15 Q-tips. There might still be a few in the bag there, but look something like this. They're just going to be in the bag there, so just make sure you fish them all out. There's 15, give or take a few. You might not need all of them for the craft kind of thing we're going to be doing later, but I wanted to give you a few extra just in case. So that's the junior kits. I'm going to put these away, and then we'll move on to the junior kits. I meant we'll move on to the senior kits. So this is what your senior kit will look like. It looks a little bit smaller, but it's a little bit fuller. I couldn't fit the bigger cardboard into these smaller bags, despite there not being as much. So you'll have a coffee filter, a sponge. I cut them in half, so you might have a bit of a jagged edge here, but it's okay because you're going to be cutting it up anyways. You're going to have a cup of coffee grounds and a little thing that looks like this. It'll say the stuff on it too. You're also going to have 4 toothpicks, a cup of whole wheat flour, which will also come in a thing like this. It says what it is on it. And then you're going to have half a cup of salt, which again comes in a thing like this, and it'll say exactly what it is on the outside. Then you're going to have some paints too, a little bit less, but you don't really need a brush because, well, you'll find out if you watch for the craft. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. You'll have just some primary colors like blue, red, and yellow, and then brown, because brown's really hard to make. And you get to do your craft in whatever color you want to do it, so I figured this way you might use the paint. Anyways, that's what's in the kits for this week, so I'm really excited to be your summer coordinator this year, and I can't wait to hear what everyone thinks and see everyone's reactions and crafts and stuff, and I hope everyone has a lot of fun this summer. Okay, well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!